Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we just wanted to do a little quick recap on the rich solar panels and the Bluetti solar generator. I know last time we tried to do this video we didn't have a lot of sun, so today we just want to show you what you could expect from the solar panels on a sunny day. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, just a recap, let's go ahead and flip these panels around and we'll hook them all back up again. Alright, just like we said before, each panel has a male and female. And so all you do is take the male from one side and hook it up to the female on the other. Then you'll end up with something like this. Then you're going to have obviously female on one side and a male on the other. Then you just grab the Bluetti adapter, which has a male and female, and basically just plug them in to each side. That one there, and then that one to that. So after you hook up the adapter, this is what it's going to look like. And then you'll have this end to just plug right into the Bluetti. Now I know the last time we used the extensions, but that's really just for convenience. It's not really necessary, but it does make things a lot more convenient if you're going to be far away from the panels, or if you want to move the Bluetti around and put it in a specific location. Alright, I just laid them on the ground. And now we'll just see how much it charges. And again, just plugged right into the Bluetti. Alright guys, well, with some good sun, just wanted to show you that you can get 155 or 160 watts. So you can see it's hovering right there. Alright guys, well, again, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you guys on the next video.